Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the tools so nothing stalls later. Insert an 8 GB or larger USB and back up its contents. Once done, download the correct Windows ISO or run the media creation tool. Make sure you have Rufus ready if you prefer manual control. You do this because correct media and verified files prevent install failures and driver issues, so verify the ISO checksum when possible, and choose the right tool now to set partition style and boot options in the next step. You now create the bootable drive. Open Rufus, pick the ISO, then set partition scheme to GPT for modern UEFI systems or MBR for legacy BIOS. Choose FAT32 for UEFI compatibility unless the ISO needs NTFS. If using Media Creation Tool, select USB flash drive and let it download and copy files. Start the write and monitor progress. This copies Windows, creates boot records, and embeds UEFI data. Make sure to wait. You finish by booting the target PC from the USB. Reboot, enter BIOS or UEFI, and set USB as first boot device. Make sure secure boot settings match the media type. Once Windows installer starts, follow prompts to format or select partitions. Delete only if you intend a clean install. If the system doesn't boot, recreate the USB with the correct partition scheme, try a different USB port, or disable secure boot. This single troubleshooting step fixes most boot failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.